Fuzhou Jianhao Furniture Manufacturing Company Limited was established in 2010. Its parent company is Fujian Bridge Style Furnishings Company Limited, located in Minhou County, Fuzhou City, Fujian Province. We are a high-tech enterprise specializing in the production, research and development, and sales of bamboo and wood home products. Our company offers a diverse range of items, including kitchenware, home storage, office supplies, pet products, bathroom supplies, and outdoor items, all of which are well received globally. We have an R&D team of over 10 members who are well versed in the characteristics of bamboo and wood. They blend modern aesthetics to provide personalized customization services with the capability to produce design drafts within 12 hours and offer a range of services including photography and design. We launch at least 500 new products each year. In 2024 alone, we have applied for more than 20 patents. Our modern production base adheres to artisan principles, meticulously crafting each product through processes such as sanding, cutting, assembly, filing, polishing, painting, packaging, and final inspection. We are committed to quality, with independent inspection departments performing 3 stages of quality checks to ensure a 100% pass rate. Besides, our products have passed various authoritative tests including FDA, LFGB, and REACH. Our delivery speed is also a significant advantage. We can deliver within 15 days, achieving high turnover, low inventory, and 0 stockouts. With delivery speed surpassing industry standards, thanks to our outstanding performance, we have gained the trust of over 5,000 customers and have been in Alibaba's top 3 for 10 consecutive years. In addition to that, our factory holds qualifications such as FSC, BSCI, and ISO 14001 certifications. A single bamboo stock builds the bridge of cooperation between Jianhao Furniture and global business partners. We are committed to revitalizing the bamboo and wood industry while balancing ecology and economy, and harmonizing environmental protection with quality. We aim to support the comprehensive development of global customers and become a leader in sustainable home products.